Here's John Kennedy, all his speeches. Presidential speeches, 60 to 63. Look at that, albums in there. Come in, Peter Gabriel. Whoa, that's his too. Not for sale. Peter Gabriel. John Fitzgerald with the album. Here's John. Led Zeppelin. Record looks in good shape. Yeah, both records are there. Cool. Nat King Cole. Look at that Zeppelin thing. Let me see what's up. Yeah, it's in good shape. Both sides. This ain't the same one. Hold on. It's Peter Gabriel. That's why. Here's John. John's speeches. Beautiful. Thank you, John. Bye. Some luggage. Not her again. Get out of there. All right. We'll be back. Go!